I'm super excited to show you this wonderful one-bedroom, one-bathroom condominium at the Whitby Harbour, the Yacht Club. Now these condominiums have utilities all included in the condo fees, including cable and internet. You're absolutely going to love the many fantastic facilities in this building and of course the unbeatable location. Close to Whitby Harbour, you can just walk to waterfront trails, then the beach, and just walk across the street to Whitby GO station. Let's come check it out.
Take it easy. We got the good life. We got the good life.